Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. I am so excited about these little baby booties. They actually stay on my son's feet when he is all over the place. These Ohwawadi baby booties have been the best thing for my baby's feet because he constantly kicks off or pulls off his shoes. My favorite part is this big Velcro strip because it securely holds these on his feet, but not too tightly because it's elasticy, so it's not hurting his ankles or anything. These are the cutest little booties, and they are super fuzzy and warm, and they're really comfortable, and they've got these grippy little beads on the bottom so he doesn't slip around when he's constantly running around on our hardwood floors or wherever we go. These are probably one of the easiest little shoes that I've found to put on my baby. He's constantly trying to get away and run and everything, so I can do them real quick and they stay on his feet. They're not stiff at all, they're super soft, so when he's climbing all over the couch and everything, they just bend with his feet so his feet don't get sore, but they keep them nice and warm because sometimes our house is a little cold. I love how securely these little booties stay on my son's feet, but also that they keep them warm and they're nice and soft. But that's just my point of view.